Okay, welcome all of you, grade 7 students. Let us go ahead with our further studies in kingdom classification. Okay, so we are done with Nididia and Porifera phylum. Let us go through what is next, that is Platyhelminthes. Those are flatworms. We will see why it is called as flatworms. Okay, now uh, let us look at this habitat. There are certain parameters I told you based on which we study them. So habitat is platyhelminthes or the flatworms are going to be found because they are going to be parasites. They are found in the say inside the bodies of animals and human beings. Okay. Yes, because they are parasites. They are going to suck in the food from these other animals or human bodies. Okay. Body structure. Some in that was the body structure. Okay, and where are they found is okay. The second point has to go into the habitat as well, because it is mentioning about where are they found. So some are in fresh water and some are in sea. Yes, so as mentioned here, some are found in fresh water, some are in sea, and finally they come into the bodies of the plant, human beings and the animals. Okay. Now the body structure, from the second point you can start reading. They have hooks and suckers around their mouth to grip on the host. Because they are parasites, they are going to get stuck to the host. Okay, so they are having these hooks, and look at this now. The hooks. This is of the tapeworm. This figure, you can see three examples here. Okay, one is planaria, one is tapeworm, and then is liver fluke. So tapeworm, you can see very clearly those hooks and suckers. They have labeled it. So they have got these hooks and suckers so that they can take a grip on the host, and one opening for the food intake and throw unwanted things for the. There is another end. Okay, so there is one opening for the food intake, and there is another one for the throwing out of the unwanted stuff. And the body is going to be soft, flat, ribbon like or leaf like structure. Okay, you can see in the picture that it is all flat. There is no body cavity, because they don't have to chew anything, they don't have to digest anything. They are going to intake everything that is digested already. So it is just the job of sleeping and just munching upon, or say just keep on sucking the food. That is how it grows very rapidly also. Example, just as I said, tapeworm, liver fluke and planaria. These are the examples of flatworms. Because there is no body cavity, they are flat. Understand? They do not need any digestion process because they suck the digested food. Next is nematoda, or another name is roundworms. Habitat is, they are again parasites, so in the digestive tract of human bodies and herbivores animals. Okay, some live in soil and water as well. If they are not here, they will be found in soil and water, and actually from here they get transferred to human bodies basically. So body structure is going to be long, thin, cylindrical, unsegmented. There are no bifurcations, there are no segments. Okay, there are no parallel lines you can see here on its body. Tapering at both ends and so called as roundworms. Because the body is long, cylindrical, unsegmented, it is called as roundworms. Tube-like digestive system with mouth and anus at opposite ends. Okay, example is ascaris and hookworms. There are two examples, ascaris and hookworms. Now let me tell you, if this is not mentioned in your textbook, but in the previous syllabus or the previous curriculum, they had mentioned that if you are not very careful with the washing of our hands, mostly children get this worm inside the digestive tract, as they are not careful about washing hands when they play in the outside soil or the playground, and they directly start eating. There are chances, because the ascaris is found in the soil. Yes, so please take care of that you wash your hands before eating. See, take a look at this. This is ascaris. Okay, I have not taken the pic of the hookworm though, but this is ascaris, and hookworm is an example of nematoda. Hookworm is not the example of platyhelminthes. Those tapeworms have hooks, but they are not called hookworm. Hookworm is different. Hookworm belongs to nematoda or roundworms. Understand? During while studying, please make a note of this. So that's it. We are going to have just 2 phylums together at a time and not many. And now you are going to make small mind maps about this, or say flow chart on this, and upload it on the Teams. Give them your names. Okay, I'm not giving any assignment. Your assignment is that write these features in the form of a mind map and upload it in Teams. The picture of the mind map, you can upload it in the Teams. So you will not find any assignment based on this. Not every time I will be giving an assignment. Something you have to do it on your own at your homes and upload the pic. Okay, so this time for this session you will be uploading the pic of the mind map for these 2 phylums. One phylum is Platyhelminthes, another phylum is going to be Nematoda. The main features, just the key features you will write in those circles, in those boxes. Take a picture and upload it on Teams. Name it. Without naming, please do not upload. Okay, fine then. Have a nice day ahead.